Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So in this video I am going to talk about all I'm replying all your comments, okay, and and good news for all of you, like 2020, 2021, 2022 TCS changes in the first phase and the second phase and the paid NQT hiring, okay. And here some points I already written, but I will try to explain each and every answer which is there in my videos comment section, which I already created, I think 29th of October, okay. So let's get started. So friend, I am talking about in this particular video, okay, which I uploaded, I think 29th October 2021, okay. In this video you have a lot more than 340 comments, okay. I will try to reply each and every one, okay. Let's start, friend. Here you can see first question is, I completed my HR round in TCS 2 days ago and they said I need to improve my communication skills. Is there any chance for selection or they will reject? It's mean you are going to be selected, because see, if your TRMR is clear, okay, and the HR, if your English is not so well, okay, and if they telling you like please try to improve your communication skills, is it doesn't indicate that you are going to be rejected, okay. High chances that you will going to be selected, okay. Next, if we apply for second phase, don't we get interview? It's nothing like that, okay. If you want to apply, you can apply for a second phase, okay, but you will definitely receive your interview mail, okay. Thank you so much for upload. Just now I'm trying to telling all the comments, replying in English also, okay. मेरा अब जिन्होंने हिंदी में करा मैं उन्हें हिंदी में रिप्लाई करूँगा, ठीक है। मेरा इंटरव्यू 21 को था, मेरा मार्क्स 3 बार वेरीफाई किया, 30 मिनट्स का इंटरव्यू था। देन दे टोल्ड मी रेडी फॉर योर डॉक्यूमेंट, HR विल कॉन्टेक्ट यू सून टुडे, बट टुडे 29 अक्टूबर दे डिडंट सेंड एनी मेल, ठीक है। देखो, जिनको अभी तक मेल नहीं आया HR का, जस्ट वेट फॉर सम डेज, बिकॉज सम टाइम दे विल टेक टाइम, ओके। कुछ दिन वो टाइम लेते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं अगर आप बोले कि HR कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे आपसे तो आपसे ज़रूर करेंगे कॉन्टैक्ट, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं। अगर आपका इंटरव्यू अच्छा गया है तो TCS selection criteria after selection mail 10%, 12% degree and gear gap 1 or 2, okay. I'm just writing over there, okay. And the 10% and 12% is 60 and 12 is 60, okay. And the year gap is 24 months, okay, means 2 years gap they are allowing, okay. I wrote TCS off-campus exam on 16th October and got selected for interview, which mail is sent on 23rd October, but they didn't send me interview schedule yet, okay. So I already discussed in my previous all the video, but right now I'm again telling, okay, wait, within 15th of November you all will get, okay, 15th November, okay. Just I'm replying the comment, okay. Here you can next comment is there, sir, I am applying TCS phase 2 examination, but I have attempted my NQT and my TR interview is completed, so is 6-month criteria is complete or not? Yes, you are already completed a 6-month criteria. Hi sir, today is 29th October, my interview was scheduled at 3:40 PM, but interviewers were not coming interview. What should I just try to mail them? They will definitely reschedule, okay. Got selected for interview but no interview scheduled till now. देखो, जिनका पास अब तक नहीं है, just wait for some days, before 15th of November you all will receive okay, interview mail of TRMR and HR letter as well, okay, offer letter as well. I am studying TCS and date of joining 21st October, but I have not joined that. Now I'm got the mail for phase 2 and I want to give the exam, but there is no person to apply for that. Just see, okay, like who are already got selected and got the joining letter and the offer letter, no need to apply in phase 2, okay. Phase 2 is only for those candidates who didn't qualify for the phase 1 exam, okay. They only they will write the exam, or they have a chance to write the phase 2 exam, okay. Who already got selected, no need to write the phase 2 exam. I think they will not allow, okay. When will they send money back, before training or after training? Okay, first of all join the TCS I think Udemy courses, acha. This person is telling about the Tech Mahindra, okay. After completing your training, okay, just send them your certification with all the details and your payment receipt. They will send back your money, okay. Bro, I have badged on 3rd and but October, but didn't receive mail for interview. I have 59%, that is 6.2 CGPA 12th. Will I receive interview? See, interview mail doesn't indicate your percentage, okay. Percentage criteria check will be verified by the HR team only, okay. So just wait for some day, you are soon going to be received. Hi bro, is there any last date to complete Udemy courses? No, there is no particular last date, but you have to complete within 1 or 2 weeks of receiving the LOI mail from the Tech Mahindra. I wrote TCS off-campus exam on 16th October, but I didn't get any mail for selection or rejection, okay. So like I don't get any, so just wait because TCS is currently hiring. Okay, thank you for support. Please upload video. Just now I'm trying to telling you, but only try to you all are, I'm requesting to all of you, just support me. Okay, thank you for please explaining English. I had my interview today at 11:50. The interview of survey mail has gone good. The interview asked me that you are willing to join the company or not technical, what role it is. It is definitely a associate system engineer, which is going to be they giving you. 20 match 2019 a complete TRMR on 9th October. Still no mail for TCS. Okay, just wait before 15th of November. We will be definitely we will getting. Okay, my interview done on 28th October. Is their HR done or verification? In how many days offer letter will come? Offer letter anime basically they will take time of 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, they will send you offer letter. Okay, if you're done with your verification, document verification. I have done interview on 27th October and they verified my PAN card and taken a photo of it. Does it mean I'm selected? Yes, you are selected. Sir, till now I don't receive interview mail. Are there any chance to get mail now? Yes, because currently TCS is hiring. Sir, my interview batched on 21st, but still no mail comes. What to do? Just wait for some days. You will definitely soon going to be received. I didn't get cognitive assessment till now, but just wait. Okay, for the second phase exam. Please tell me when we receive selection mail. Written October 13. Abhi currently we hiring. Just wait for some days. Okay. Sir, I wrote TCS off-campus exam on 15th October and received interview selection mail, but not apply for drive and accidentally apply for a. Please let me know this will cancel our interview phase or not. No, this will not cancel your interview. If you are received interview selection mail and after that you applied for a drive, and it will not create any problem for your interview mail. Okay, thanks for uploading in videos in English. Why I am unable to upload my my updated resume in TCS profile? What should I do? In the during your TRMR, just tell them, sir, I want to update my resume. They will definitely replace your interview resume during your interview. Sir, I didn't received interview schedule mail till date now. Who didn't received interview mail till now? Just wait for some days. Okay, I have given the topper test on October 10th. Still not get any selection mail, any suggestion what to do now? Just wait. Okay, because if you want to mail them, just mail them, but they will not going to be reply. Okay, bro, I got mail of interview calling, but it's been 7 to 8 days, but not interview mail till now. Okay, because currently TCS is taking lots of time. That's why you have to wait for some days and keep patience. Sir, I received interview mail. My interview is on 9th October and 30th October, but TCS next step portal is badge not showing. Okay, just wait. Soon they will soon going to be update your badge status once you received your interview link. Okay, hello, please while filling the TCS survey mail, there was an option either the reference number, but it was not mandatory, so that's why I didn't enter. But I have received mail that we have been sending you interview mail. So there will be any issue or not? No, there is no issue. Okay, you will definitely receive a TCS interview mail. भाई मेरा HR इंटरव्यू हो गया, वेरिफिकेशन भी हो गया. मैंने मेरा 12th में मेंशन नहीं करा था, डिप्लोमा मेंटेन किया हूँ क्योंकि मेरा डिप्लोमा में 76% है, 12th में 58% है, तो मेरा क्या सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have completed my interview on 20th October TRNAMR, but I didn't receive any HR mail. I am rejected. No, you just wait for some days. Hello sir, I completed my interview on 27th, but didn't get any mail for HR and next step portal showing badge. So it's mean I have chances for get receive selection mail or rejection mail. Okay, if you're done with the document verification, there is a high chances for getting a selection mail. Okay, if you are meeting your eligibility criteria of 60%. I have got email for interview on 23rd, but still now not getting interview date. Okay, just wait. Okay, so भाई it's a humble request. मैंने इससे पहले भी कमेंट पूछा था. I completed my NQT test on 16th October and I cleared the test and mail will come on 23rd, but still I did not receive any interview schedule. It's not matter. Maybe later I receive. The point is after clearing assessment I applied for drive. It's any problem? No. Okay. भाई मेरा TCS इंटरव्यू का 20 को हुआ पर वॉइस लॉगिंग हो रहा था. बोला मैंने HR रिक्रूटर को हाईलाइट कर दिया कि आपका इंटरव्यू रिशेड्यूल किस दिन में. देखो रिशेड्यूल आपका 1 से 2 महीने एक से 2 वीक में होता है, ठीक है भाई. मेरा TCS NQT में 19 सितंबर को 2019 का हुआ था एंड आई एम फ्रॉम BCom एंड सिलेक्टेड BPS एंड आई गिव पेड NQT. आई स्कोर्ड इतना एंड स्टिल नॉट रिसीव्ड इन एनी मेल. भाई इज देयर एनी चांस फॉर गेटिंग मेल टिल 15th November? So basically I think I don't have any update for the BPS. Okay, I have only update about IT like BTech. Okay, once I get any update from the BPS field, then I will definitely create one separate video for you all guys. Okay bro, I got invitation for interview, but it is not showing. Please okay, just wait. Okay, because one if you are getting a best option, it's mean you are going to soon receive an interview link. Okay, if you are not receiving a best option or interview link, then just you have to wait. Okay, I have given TRMR 9th October, still no proper information about HR. It is showing best. Can you please help me out? Just wait. Okay, you can't like आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, just you have to wait for their mail. Okay. कितना है, बहुत है क्या, कितना है कमेंट्स और आपके लोगों के? आई थिंक देयर इज मोर लॉट्स ऑफ कमेंट्स आर देयर यार. ओह ओके. अरे भाई कोई बता दे कि देखो यार, देखो अब ये क्वेश्चन जो है नीचे देखे रफ पेपर कैसे वर्क करे. तो आप लोग एक काम करो, TCS एनक्यूटी का मैं बात करूँ तो अगर आप लोग जो क्वेश्चन बनता है सॉल्व करो, और जितना हो सके वहाँ पर आपके लेफ्ट साइड में आपका जो TCS एनक्यूटी का जो बोर्ड होता है उसके यहाँ पर इस साइड में जो है आपको वहाँ पर लिखा रहेगा और नोट पैड. आप नोट पैड से देख के सॉल्व कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज आप लोग पेन पेपर का इस्तेमाल करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो. लेकिन TCS एनक्यूटी का जो क्या बोलते हैं AI है बहुत फास्ट है. आप लोग भले ही चीटिंग ना करो, लेकिन उन्हें लगेगा तो वो लोग ऑलरेडी रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. मैं इसे रिप्लाई कर चुका हूँ. ओके, यहाँ पर आते हैं. यहाँ पर टुडे इज़ माई डिजिटल इंटरव्यू ओनली फॉर 15 मिनट्स, नो HR राउंड कंडक्ट. व्हाट डज इट मीन? ठीक है, ओके जस्ट वेट, क्योंकि HR विल कंडक्ट नेक्स्ट डे योर इंटरव्यू. ओके, इफ़ यू क्वालिफाई द digital interview, otherwise you will getting a ninja offer letter or ninja interview. Bro, I didn't receive any solicitation mail. I have a nice score and still no mail. Any chance for receiving any mail? Yes. Just wait because TCS is currently hiring. भाई मुझे अभी तक मेल नहीं आया इंटरव्यू का, मेल टिल नाउ. वेट करो क्योंकि TCS अभी करंटली हायरिंग कर रही है. ब्रो, आई कंप्लीट माई TRMR 9th October, but like all the candidates who are waiting for the HR mail, just wait for 15th of November. Okay. मैंने सेटमेंट का इंक्लूड दिया था, अभी तक कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आया. ओके, रिजल्ट नहीं आता, इसमें सिंपली आपका इंटरव्यू मेल आता है. अभी वेट करना है क्योंकि अभी भी वो रिजल्ट सेंड कर रही है. आई हैव कंप्लीट माई TR और MR 9th October एट नो रिजेक्शन मेल, कैन नॉट अप्लाई फॉर फाइज जो कैन आई गेट HR मेल? Yes, you will definitely get your HR mail. Okay. In NQT some 2 codes are not compliant for me. Is there any chance for getting? Yes. If you done good scoring in cognitive skills, then you will definitely going to receive a interview mail. Okay. Today I had completed my HR interview, but some issue. HR said they will reschedule the interview. Is it possible to reschedule? Yes, they will reschedule. Okay, don't worry. But when they reschedule, gods know. Why you had done my you had done my TR on I have done my 9th October. Is there any no, I'm rejected? No, just wait. Okay, because they will update you soon. Rejected or selected. Sir, please help me out. I have not get any update. I wrote free NQT in October. Just wait because currently TCS is hiring. Given test on 15th October, but no till now will I receive or not? Yes, given test on because TCS is currently hiring. Okay. I am 2016 password batch due to backlog. I have completed my BTech 2021. I have received a TCS interview. Will they reject me because of my extended? No. You just tell them like due to some problem my graduation in 2021. Okay, कुछ आप लोग medical issues बता देना, कोई problem नहीं होगा. Okay. Please reply. I had Ninja in topper test on 24th October and 2 days back I again clicked apply for drive since my option was active. Will I have written the exam again? It's totally depends on you. Okay, you just wait for the interview. Okay, आपको जरूर आएगा. My interview was done one today at what timing they will receiving offer letter. अगर HR हो गया तो then just wait for 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, पप्पू today I completed my HR interview with TCS. पप्पू ब्रो सर आपको इंटरव्यू मेल आया है क्या? आपने भी तो अप्लाई फॉर ड्राइव किया था. नहीं, मेरा जो फर्स्ट फेज में मैंने अप्लाई फॉर ड्राइव किया था, मेरे पास एग्जाम लिंक आया था, मैंने नहीं दिया था. और रहा बात सेकेंड फेज़ का, तो मेरे पास अभी तक एग्जाम का भी लिंक नहीं आया, इंटरव्यू का भी लिंक नहीं है. अगर आएगा, मेरे पास कुछ भी अपडेट होगा, मैं आप लोग को डेफिनेटली अपडेट कर दूंगा. आई हैड गिवन एग्जाम माई HR वेरिफिकेशन टुडे 2:45 and PTM 28. They rejected at HR or not? No, they will not reject in HR round if you are meeting their eligibility criteria. I got a chance for to give interview on 23rd and the basis of Ninja Topper test from Pune, but after that I did not get any update. What should I do? Just wait. Okay, if you want you can mail them. 30 मेंबर हुआ था, 30 मिनट का इंटरव्यू हुआ था, अभी तक कोई मेल नहीं आया है. थैंक यू सो मच 15 नंबर तक वेट करने के लिए बताने का. हाँ 15 नंबर तक वेट करो. ठीक है, सभी को बोल रहा हूँ मैं. मुझे सर्वे मेल 12 अक्टूबर को आया था, लेकिन अभी तक इंटरव्यू मेल नहीं आया. वेट करो क्योंकि अभी बहुत लोगों का नहीं आया, तो वेट करना होगा. ठीक है, फिर आने के बाद अप्लाई फॉर ड्राइव फिर से प्रॉब्लम होगा? नहीं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. माई टीसी नेक्स्ट स्टेप पोर्टल इज शोइंग ओपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ टू नेक्स्ट स्टेप अकाउंट. माई ओल्ड ID is opening, but the support team said that you need create a new account, but my all the interview has been completed in first account. What should I do? I'm trying to connect with respond. Just wait. Okay, this will not create any problem. Okay, hi please, I got selected mail but no interview mail, no best. वेट करो बिकॉज TCS इज करंटली हायरिंग. ओके, मैंने इन्फोसिस एक एडवांस कंपनी में एग्ज़ाम दिया था, मेरा रिजेक्ट हुआ 2 महीने पहले, पर आज मुझे इन्फोसिस से कॉल आया कि इन्फोसिस का सिस्टम इंजीनियर का पोस्ट के लिए इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के लिए। तो क्या फेक है? देखो, फेक है या रियल है आप लोग फ़ोन से पता लगा नहीं सकते हो। आप लोग अगर मेल आता है तो दिस इज़ 100% श्योर। एक बार मेल ID चेक कर लेना @infosys.com है कि नहीं है। I gave my thesis interview on 21st. After that, chat told me that all the document will just wait. Okay, who all are waiting? No, it's me. No, you're not rejected. Okay, just wait. Okay, sir, is your our selection confirmed after document? Yes, yes. मेरा इंटरव्यू 21st को हुआ था। 3 बार वेरीफाई मैं ऑलरेडी रिप्लाई कर चुका हूँ उनका। आई डिडंट आइदर आई रोड फ्री क्यूटी वेट करो, टीसीएस करंटली हायरिंग कर रही है। ओके, HR व्हाट आर द चांसेस दैट आई विल बी गेट प्रीफर्ड लोकेशन? हाई चांसेस। HR इंटरव्यू के बाद सिलेक्शन हो गया, यानी मैक्सिमम कितने दिन में होता है? 1 से 2 वीक में आता है। ठीक है, आई होप मैंने सभी कमेंट का रिप्लाई मैंने कर दिया है। ओके, तो चलिए अब यहाँ बात करते हैं। यहाँ मैंने क्या क्या डिस्कस मैंने कर लिया है। मैं पेन ले लेता हूँ। ये पॉइंट मैंने डिस्कस कर लिया है। इफ़ आई अप्लाई फॉर द सेकंड फेज ऑन रिटर्न ईमेल, नो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। ओके, यू विल डेफिनेटली रिसीव योर इंटरव्यू मेल। व्हेन डज टीसीएस स्टार्ट स्टैंडिंग ऑफर लेटर? विदिन अ 1 और बिफोर 15th of November. Okay. When will 2020 batch start receiving survey mail through Ninja and paid NQT for interview? Okay, TCS is soon going to be hire 2022 batch. Okay, probably after 15th of November 2022 batch will receive our TCS interview survey mail for the getting job in TCS. Okay, because TCS is currently focusing on more on 2022 batch. Okay, so don't worry about 2022 batch. You have a lots of opportunity in upcoming days. Okay. आई थिंक ऑल माई डाउट्स आर आई थिंक मैंने सभी कुछ मैं डिस्कस कर लिया। एसटी को मैं डाउट होता है अपने कमेंट पूछ मिलते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।